4th June, I was not part of it. I didn't take part in 4th June. I did nothing in 4th June. But when I hand it over, and President Lima say, me Nkrabia, Rollins and Madam, Wachija and Madam. So I was arrested. Rollins came to release me after 1 year. Now, Rollins also released him. Menene ye juma no mo so esanche me kwese prison. Me da prison 1 year. Me da condemned block 3 months, 93 days. I slept beside a dead body 24 hours at home. Madam, me ka say by his grace me kire say enye onyankopon aduma anka mentiasi. I was just arrested and detained and then compulsorily sacked for Ghana. But you have catch Chief Justice, whoever he is, said, my Lord, with the greatest respect, you are in error. I was forced by Rollins because of the way he wanted to kill me. I was forced by him to keep quiet. Kufuor made me a deputy minister. After Kufuor framed me or say, I'm quoting, you are one of my best ministers. You are one of my best ministers. But Amanfo say my government is too big. They want you to step down. Oh, up to today, it doesn't make sense to me. I don't have regrets, except that I have pain. I have never been a ya. Ebini obia okodi mi huntro. Etre military intelligence and me chime go to prison. Where is my young money? That I never stood anywhere to say anything against Rollins. But also Ogumia, many proof. Well, I'm up for say I'm hardworking.
Rollins say until now party.
In fact, he's the reason why I don't want NDC in my life. Especially Tama Rollins Chimiko to prison when I came out. But the only reason here man coming was because me fit prison by 1 week later, and I'm a Gloria, my firstborn.